Let's do it one more time. Again, there's something wrong with this train, but he still kept trying for Thomas. Just look at him go. Oh, it's the anime locomotive. Come on, Thomas, you can do it. You can do it. I think his wheels still kept trying though. Thomas is still strong than Gordon. Well, as you can see, he's gonna closer right into the edge. Here he goes. Yes, yes, come on, Thomas. You gonna win. But he's kept trying. Yeah! So Thomas wins, goes through to the finals. Good job, Thomas.